Hi, I'm Hw8. This video is about homework 8, question 9. The question is to show that if x1, x2, and so on, which is macro chain, it is statistically determined by its second-order probability masses pxi equals to xi, xj equals to xj. Generally, we can get that P, which equals to x1 equals to x1, x2 equals to x2, and so on to the xn equals to xn, which is equals to P xn equals to xn with the conditional xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1, and so on to the x1 equals to x1 times P xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1, and so on to the x1 to the x1, and so on, which is part is which that we can take anyone from this part front and take this front side back, and these two parts are the same, which all correct. For example, I can get that P xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 with a conditional xn equals to xn, and so on, x1 equals to x1 times P xn equals to xn, and so on, x1 equals to x1, which is also correct. Then we can get that which is equals to P xn equals to xn with the conditional xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 times P xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 with the conditional xn minus 2 equals to xn minus 2, and so on, times P x2 equals to x2 with the conditional x1 equals to x1 times P x1 equals to x1, and so on. We can get the function that P x1 xi equals to xi, which equals to the sum of the which k with the uniform infinity, negative infinity to the infinity, sum of P xi equals to xi, and xj equals to k. And we can get that P xi equals to xi with the conditional xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1, which is equals to P xi equals to xi minus 1, which equals to xi minus 1 divided by P xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1. That's also the probability masses. That's all of this function.